The way I see my work is dynamic, social, active, and inclusive. I believe my work is a reflection of myself. It is just how I see the world. I draw on my own experiences to create something from them, to make something happen with it. My home country is Chile. After completing my degree in communication and marketing there, I wanted to discover new places. I lived in Australia for 2 years. That's where I started painting. At first, it was just for fun and a way to feel more connected to myself. Without expecting anything, I uploaded my pictures to social media, and a single hashtag turned it into a great opportunity. During a holiday in the Netherlands, I got my first official project. Today, I live here in the Netherlands, the country where I started my artistic journey. The world is complex, and creativity can actually help us to solve this complexity. Through creativity, it becomes possible to look at everything from different angles. Paper, glass, cardboard, walls, and streets are only means to channel creative concepts, ways to present an experience. Nowadays, social media tells you what's trending right now, books tell you how the right technique works, tutorials explain step by step how to achieve a specific outcome. Sometimes, you just have to forget all of that. Your experiences are the ones who shape your style. Inspiration is the beginning of everything. I use my creativity to change the things that matter. My approach to really make a difference. I do believe in the power of creativity. With its help, we can change the world for the better. You, me, and actually all of us. Now it's up to you. What do you have in mind?